Login failed on Lightspeed App Fix. You're ready to place a trade on the Lightspeed app, but suddenly login failed. It's frustrating, but don't worry. Most login problems come from simple, fixable issues. Let's go step by step so you can get back into your account quickly. First, check your internet connection. Lightspeed requires a stable and secure network to authenticate your login. If you're on public Wi-Fi or a weak signal, switch to a stronger connection or mobile data. Many traders overlook this simple fix. Next, make sure your Lightspeed app is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions can fail to sync with the app's current security protocols, especially after system updates. Go to the App Store or Google Play and tap Update if it's available. Then, re-enter your username and password manually. Avoid using autofill or saved passwords, as they might store old credentials or formatting errors. If you've recently changed your password on another device, use the updated one. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, double-check that your phone's clock is set to automatic. Time mismatches can cause your verification code to fail, even if it looks correct. Still can't log in? Clear your app's cache and data. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Lightspeed Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This clears corrupted files and resets your connection to Lightspeed servers. If you're using VNS or proxy networks, disable them temporarily. Lightspeed may block logins from unrecognized apps for security reasons. Sometimes the issue is on their end. Lightspeed occasionally performs maintenance that prevents logins for short periods. Wait a few minutes and try again. If all else fails, reset your password or reach out to Lightspeed support for account recovery. So the next time your Lightspeed app says login failed, don't panic. Fix your network, update your app, clear your cache, and check your timing. You'll be back trading fast with your account safe and running smoothly.